Position. We'll guide you through a short meditation. If you want to sit on a block, put a pillow under your hips or lean your back against something for support if you don't have something to sit on. You can be seated on the floor on a chair. And have your spine tall, your shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees or your legs and close your eyes if that feels okay. And take a deep breath in. Like you're blowing through a straw, breathe out. And back to your normal breath if that feels good, or you can continue the inhale through the nose and the exhale through straw-like lips. Your awareness to your limbs, your arms, your legs. See if you can sense how they're feeling physically in this moment. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface you're sitting on. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and ribs and abdomen as you take each breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice if the air feels cool through the nostrils as you breathe in, and notice if the air feels warm as you breathe out. If it's not already there, invite a sense of relaxation into all the parts of your body, your jaw, your neck, and shoulders especially. The idea of tapas is the inner fire. It's our sense of determination and discipline that drives us to grow and transform. And with that inner fire, what purifies us, burns away the unnecessary, the unhelpful. The inner fire is what allows us to overcome challenges and become stronger. Imagine a small flame at the center of your torso in front, right where your rib cage comes together, and just below it, imagine a small flame. And this imaginary flame, let it represent your inner fire. Your sense of will and confidence. Your sense of strength. And as you see this flame at the center of your abdomen, breathe in and visualize the flame growing brighter with the breath in and more intense. And with each exhale, imagine it burning away any doubts, any fears, any resistance. Again, as you breathe in, imagine the flame growing brighter. And let it burn away any resistance, fears, or doubts that may dim your light. One more, imagine that inner flame growing brighter. Exhale, it burns away anything not helpful. If it feels good to repeat after me in your mind, you're welcome to. You could say to yourself, I am disciplined and dedicated. I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. My inner fire burns bright and strong. I am committed to my personal transformation. Visualize yourself facing a challenge in your life. You've got your inner flame, your inner fire burning brightly. And see yourself approaching this challenge with confidence and strength and determination. Not from a place of power over, but from a place of power that you have within. Imagine your inner fire guiding you, providing you with strength and clarity to overcome any obstacle. Let this tapas feel empowering to you, knowing that you are lighting the way one step at a time in your life. With this inner fire, you can take purposeful actions. Allow this feeling of inner strength and discipline to settle into every cell of your being, knowing that this inner fire is always within you, ready to support you whenever you need it. Take an on-purpose breath in. Open mouth, clear it out. Begin to bring your awareness back into the present moment. The space around you, feel the weight of your body, the sensations, the sounds in the room. If it feels good, bring your hands to the center of your chest in Anjali Mudra. Set an intention from right here. What are you committed to both creating and allowing in your life? And we'll Om together one time. Inhale. Put your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.